everyone, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you with this week's new releases. These will go live Wednesday noon Eastern, and y'all, it's a good week. It's a really good week. Let's go ahead and get started. We'll start at the top. First things first, is we do have a new character this week, and it is Thor. I meant to release him with She-Hulk and Hulk, but he's a straggler by himself. So this is number 51, and it is Thor. The next thing that I have to show y'all is the color of the week, which is a really pretty peachy pink color. And this is available in the normal 12 sheets. And there is, of course, a buy all bundle option to save a couple of dollars. And this will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern all the way through Sunday. So if you want this color, definitely get your hands on it. This is going to match so much. So that is the color of the week. Then we're going to move on into foil, which we haven't had this many foil releases in a really long time. But this week we are releasing not one, but two new foil bundles. So this is the new confetti format. So this will be in a separate listing from the other one. Basically, it is just a slightly different design. And then there's slightly different scripts and icons. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's go through sparkly red first. Again, this is confetti. I just have changed up the format a little bit. I think the pattern and the design is a little bit cleaner now and won't interfere as much with the art, and I am obsessed with it. So you have the 2 pages here that have your 6 full boxes and your glitter header overlays. You do have the ones that if you turn would make a wide scene there. So that is the first page. Then you have your bougie boxes, which have not changed. And then you have this page here with the newer scripts. And then this page here that has the confetti bottom washi, the bow headers, the bow 15mm, the confetti deco, which was requested, and then the date numbers. So this is the new confetti foil bundle. This is the best foil bundle design, even the old version, to match anything. So these are great to have on hand. And this is, like I said, a sparkly red. The second color that we're going to be releasing is, I don't remember exactly what I'm calling this. You'll figure it out with me. So you have the 2 full box pages with headers, 2 bougie boxes, scripts and icons. This is a really beautiful hot pink color. It's a little bit like a fuchsia almost. I think it reads more pink in real life though, but this is gorgeous. And again, we're going to be releasing both of these foil bundles. They will be on special pricing from Wednesday at noon Eastern all the way through Sunday. And then as add-on items, and these will stay in the shop past the time. So it's not like the matte samplers that went away. These will stay in shop until they sell out. We do have pattern bougie boxes to match these. So if you want to buy these to match this confetti foil bundle, or if you want to buy them to match other items in these colors or like a mixed metal, y'all have options. So the first one here that is coming in this really pretty pink, like a magenta pink color, you do have Hearts and Valentines, which will be available in both colors this week. So Hearts is our classic heart collection. I think this might have been an advent, but this is the Hearts. It matches perfectly to any heart items. And then this is a newer design called Valentine, and it's just a really nice, dainty, almost sweater-like pattern. Super cute, very versatile. I think that these are great for Valentine's, but also great for any time. I feel like hearts are just all around very cute. And again, those both will be coming in the sparkly red as well. So those are the foil bundles, and then the add-on bougie box underlays. Then speaking of those underlays, we are going to start releasing all of the ones that we have. We did do an advent this year, which was a shop preview of those, and there are some more that weren't even included in the advent that will be coming out as well. First things first is heart. We will have heart available. We will have it in gold, silver, rose, hollow, sparkly hollow, lavender hollow, matte bronze, champagne lights, and black. And I love black. It's just a good underlay color. Y'all see me use black bougie boxes all the time, and I just love these dainty little hearts. But again, they will come in all the core foils and the 3 fun core foils along with the black, and then of course in the foil bundle colors for this week. And then there is Valentine, and Valentine will also be coming in all of the same foils, except for it won't come in black. So you have gold, silver, rose, hollow, sparkly hollow, matte matte bronze. I'm actually using this with the notebook kit, lavender hollow, and champagne lights. I already slotted these through all of my Valentine's Day spreads. It's going to be so cute. And a couple of other ones actually too that beyond Valentine's Day. But those are the new Bougie Box underlays that are coming to the shop along with the foil bundles. I will have the overstock of the Cyber Monday mystery from this year. We do have some left over from that. So let me go ahead and give y'all a quick flip. I think y'all saw this. It is so stinking cute. I love a board game theme. This was definitely inspired by how much y'all loved the Candyland theme. So I think a general board game night type kit was definitely needed. I love game nights. Want to have more of them. Me and Nick play Monopoly Deal almost every night now, and it is my favorite like board game card game. It's just so fun. So we will have extras of the kit. We will have extras of the foil bundle, and we will also have extras of the matte label sampler. And the matte label sampler is in a sparkly rainbow, and then the foil bundle is in a mixed metal, which is rainbow and sparkly rainbow. And I think this turned out divine. Whenever I had like the idea bubble pop in my head, and I was like, oh, rainbow and sparkly rainbow together. Oh my gosh. I was like, I need it in my life. Now, I already used it in my planner. I used it with Bennett's birthday week with Level Up 2.0, but I already have it slotted for my birthday week, which I'm using Birthday Queen. And then I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using it for Reagan's birthday week, which that art has not been released yet, but I think I'm going to use this with it as well. I guess it just depends on how it prints. But this is going to go with so much. I have been obsessed with rainbow foil. Then let's get into the other kits. This art is of course exclusive art, and then we'll go into the other exclusive art set coming this week, and this is called Share. And ever since we did a Clueless set, what is it now, like 4 or 5 years ago, it's been so requested to do another one, and I am obsessed with this. This just screams summer for me, but I also feel like you could use it for back to school, or if you just really love Clueless, which Clueless I just feel like is a classic. And I love the pops of yellow throughout these full boxes. You have 4 character boxes here. You have her computer, which we all wanted, and I am just so obsessed. I actually have this kit actually has something a little different in the add-on option, so I'm excited to show y'all that. But look at these colors. Are you going to color block this if you're using it, or are you going to use it kind of like mixed kind of colors throughout? I need to know. Foil wise, I feel like you could do a black foil with this just to pop against all of these bright colors. Or I would do silver. You could do like a fun color if you wanted to do like a red, and then like maybe omit the red color and just have the red with these. I think that'd be fun as well. Silver, you could do gold. Oh, it's so pretty. And I love these patterns, especially the yellow and the yellow plaid. And then you have the bottom washi there. Obsessed. I feel like I feel like if you wanted to go crazy, you could use rainbow as well. And then the extra boxes, you have, this is perfect for a quote. Planet Hannah does have Clueless quotes, and then you have an extra character box there as well. So that is the ultimate kit. Again, it is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. And I just am so excited. I have a lot of fandom exclusive art coming, and the themes are like themes that I have not seen done, or I haven't seen done like in the way that we're doing them. So I'm very excited for those. I have probably like 12 ready to release, y'all. Add-on wise, we have Doodle, Functional, Label, we have Ombre, we have Label 2, which is like the black. It's like more of a charcoal color, and you could totally do what I'm doing with Seasons Cravings when I use it and buy 3 of these and do the black headers throughout within the colors. I think that'd be so fun, such a cute idea. Or you could just sprinkle the black throughout. And then this is like the little bit of a different idea. There was so many scenes for this, and I just was like, I could not just not use them. As you can see, the boxes are filled. I thought it would be cute to do half box sizes. So this is exactly a half box, and you could either put these throughout your spread. You could layer 2 together to be a full box. You could put them in the sidebar, like instead of doing full boxes, you could do these with like little glitter headers throughout. You could use them literally however you want. If you want to do some extenders with them, that'd be really cute. Like maybe do like them flipping this way or flipping up and then have different scenes, or you could have like this and one open up, one open down, and have more scenes on the inside. But I just was like, I need to find a way to be able to include these, and a lot of them would be like 2 boxes wide because they are like more wide boxes versus full boxes. And I just think that this is going to be so fun, and I cannot wait to see how you get creative with these because I feel like there are so many options. So hope y'all like that, something a little different. And I will be throwing into a couple of sets in the future because they are a lot of sets that are very scene heavy, and I don't know what, like, I want to be able to use the scenes, and this is the way that we can get a lot more into our spreads. So there is that one. And then the last kit for this week is Bossy, and this is just a really cute, like a kind of almost neutral, I guess, like a neutral pinks and purples planner set. So you have the bedroom, the office, you have the cloud tote with a stack of planners, you have the SPC edit here, which is just perfection. You kind of have like YouTube videos there, pens, a little outfit, coffee, and planners. And I love these colors. This could lend to so many gorgeous foil options. Like you could do silver, you could do gold, you could do champagne lights, you could do mixed metal of those, you could do matte bronze, you could do matte silver, you could do a mixture of those, you could do rose gold, you could do rose. Y'all, you could do lots of foils with this. I just think it's so gorgeous. And I love, recently I've been like really in a marble mood. Like we had marble in this kit, marble in this kit. I think 2 kits last week had marble in, and I have not been using marble past like 2 years. And I've just been like looking at kits and been like, marble. It needs marble. It all needs marble. And y'all know I am obsessed with marble. And then the freebie and the ultimate and mini is the 2 fashion boxes there. There is a fashion add-on, which I'll show you in a minute. And this kit and the Clueless share kit both do come in ultimate and mini. The Cyber Monday mystery only comes in ultimate though. Then you have the mini kit, and then let me show you the add-on options. So there is the doodles, the functional, the label, ombre, and fashion. So that is everything for this week. I hope y'all like it. I've been very excited to start releasing some of these newer foil items and foil bundles that I feel like I've been hoarding. And I know y'all, since I've been showing sneaks and mentioning things, are excited as well. So that's everything for this week. All of these releases will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern. Don't forget to pick up the foil bundles while they are on special pricing. They are such good colors to have on hand, and I'm so excited to start pairing them with all different things. That sparkly red especially, you're going to find yourself being like, oh wait, sparkly red goes with so much, whether it's Valentine's Day, or you could use it with 4th of July, you could use it with Christmas time, you could use it with Halloween. It is very universal. And then obviously the pink as well. So that is everything for this week. I hope you like this video, and I will talk to y'all in my next one. Bye.